Hey peoples, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious lentil curry or dal. Oh, it's absolutely divine. And these are the ingredients, and I'm going to use 2 teacups of red lentils and 6 teacups of water. And I've got spices in plate 1 and plate 2. So in plate 1, a teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can use less if you want it less spicy. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 cloves of garlic chopped. I'm going to use a fresh lemon and a handful of fresh coriander. I'm going to wash the lentils in several bowls of water like this until it's clear. And then I'll put it into the pan. And I will add my water. And I'll put it on to boil. And in go all the spices from plate 1. There it is, boiling away nicely. Now it needs to cook for approximately 40 minutes, but that's not set in stone, so if you need to cook it for a bit longer, that's fine. And if you need to add more water, that's fine too. Add a bit of boiling hot water, and you need to get a nice porridgey consistency. And now in the frying pan I'm going to fry the cumin seeds and the garlic until they're quite golden. Mine are a little bit black, but that's fine. So I'm going to add it to the cooked lentils. Meanwhile I'm going to chop up that lovely fresh coriander. Yes peoples, this is the icing on the cake. I'm going to squeeze the lemon onto that delicious dal and sprinkle with coriander. Yum, yum, yum. And there we have it. Delicious, easy dal. So go forth, my children, and make lentil curry. And I shall see you in the next video.